If you're looking to step up your SUV, come down and check out this 2020 Armada. This thing's got plenty of power. It will haul your toys, haul your family. Has leather interior, hauls up to 7 people. Beautiful interior. Has digital and analog gauges. Hands-free controls. Dual climate controls, CD player, heated seats, 4-wheel drive. Color backup camera with 360 camera. Satellite radio. This model also comes with a power moonroof. In the back you have your captain's chairs, which seat comfortably. Your own separate HVAC and heated seats. They flip forward so there's easy access for that third row seating. Underneath the power lift gate you got more cargo space. You also have power fold down third row seats to add to your cargo space. Come down and check out this SUV today.